Hello everyone and welcome to Teachopedia. Today we will be learning about a trick which is related to dictionaries, and that is how to handle errors in dictionaries. So for that I have created a Python file, and as you can see, first we will print a simple dictionary called DICT DICT1. So let's just print this and it will print our dictionary. And now what we are doing is we are replacing a single key with a list. So it will give us, this dictionary 2 will give us an error. Let's first run and then I will describe why it's giving us an error. Because a list is mutable, because a list can be changed. So if we want to include a multiple keys for a single value or multiple values, what we can do is we can use tuple as defined in dictionary 3. So let's first comment out dictionary 2 and print it dictionary 3. Okay, and it will print as a dictionary. And as you can see, at each key we have a tuple of two values. Okay, and now what we can do is we can get a key value, we can get a value of a key, and if there is no key we can print a default value. And as you can see, I have print I'm getting a value of a country, and if there is no key which is country, then just print -1. So first save it and run it, and it will print 3 because country has a value of 3. Now just change this key and denote high, and it will print -1 because there is no key which is high. Okay, and now what we are doing is we are getting a tuple key value, and if there is no tuple in that dictionary, we are just printing a default value -1. So as you can see, since dictionary 3 has C and D as a key and its value is 2, it print out 2. And now what if we don't define a default value? It, let's print and I will explain. It printed out none because when there is no default value, Python interpret as a none. Okay, so it's a very good function when we have to get a particular key value. And what we can do, we can define our default value, and if we don't define it, Python automatically handle these kind of issues and print a none instead of a error. Okay, that's it for today.